Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to unwrap text in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. So if you have a cell in a Google Sheets spreadsheet that has text that is currently wrapped, here's how you can unwrap it. So as you can see, when the text is wrapped, it will be visible in the Google Sheets spreadsheet. But this can be annoying if you have a really long text in a wrapped cell, because in that case the width of the row can be really huge. So if you want to unwrap the text in a Google Sheets spreadsheet, all you have to do is select the wrapped text in the Google Sheets cell and then go to the text wrapping option here, and instead of wrap we have to select overflow here. And as you can see, the text has been unwrapped. Keep in mind that if you have values in the cell next to the unwrapped text, it might hide part of the text of the unwrapped text. In that case, you can increase the width of that column. And also keep in mind that if you cannot see the overflow option here, you can click on format here and select wrapping, and you're gonna be able to unwrap the text in your Google Sheets spreadsheet. But all in all, this is how you can unwrap text in a Google Sheets cell in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.